In this video, we're going to explore one method for solving systems of linear equations, the substitution method. This method provides a clear, step-by-step approach to solving a system of equations by isolating and substituting variables. Imagine you have two equations, and suppose these two equations have a solution at some point. That means the point satisfies both equations. In other words, the same values of x and y work for both equations. This allows us to use substitution because we can replace x or y in one equation with the expression from the other equation. Here's how the substitution method works. Step 1. Solve one of the equations for one of the variables, either x or y. You can solve for x or y in either of the two equations. Step 2. Substitute the expression you found in step 1 into the other equation. This will result in an equation with only one variable. Step 3. Solve the resulting equation. Since it now has only one variable, you can solve for that variable. Step 4. Substitute the solution from step 3 into either of the original equations to find the value of the other variable. Step 5. Write the solution as an ordered pair, x, y. This gives you the values of both x and y. Step 6. Finally, check the solution by substituting the values of x and y into both original equations to ensure they satisfy both. Let's apply this method to example 5. We are given the following system of equations. X equals negative y minus 9 and 5x minus 6y equals negative 1. Step 1. Choose a variable to solve for. In this case, x is already solved for in the first equation, so we don't need to rearrange anything. X equals negative y minus 9. Step 2. Substitute the expression for x from the first equation into the second equation. We replace x in the second equation with negative y minus 9 5 times negative y minus 9 minus 6y equals negative 1. Step 3. Solve the resulting equation, which now only contains y. Distribute the 5 on the left side, negative 5y minus 45 minus 6y equals negative 1. Combine like terms. Negative 11y minus 45 equals negative 1. Next, add 45 to both sides. Negative 11y equals 44. Now, divide by negative 11. Y equals negative 4. Step 4. Substitute the value of y into the first equation to solve for x. We have x equals negative y minus 9. Substituting y equals negative 4. X equals negative 4 minus 9. X equals 4 minus 9. X equals negative 5. Step 5. The solution is x, y equals 5, 4. This means the two lines represented by the equations intersect at the point where 5 or 4. Step 6. Finally, let's check the solution by substituting x equals negative 5 and y equals negative 4 into both original equations to make sure they hold true. That's the entire process for solving a system of equations using the substitution method. I hope this helps, and I'll see you next time.